Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to share meeting link in Google Meet with detail, title and timing on WhatsApp. Yes, using Google Meet we can share the title, timing and all the details using the WhatsApp. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Now I would like to show how to send the WhatsApp meeting ID with the name and title. So before that you need to schedule the meeting. So this is an advanced option. Go to your mobile and select calendar. Yes, the Google Calendar will be open here. So you will find at Google Calendar, you can select the date, which date you want. For example, tomorrow I want to schedule the event. So 7th October. So 7th, if you select here means 7th date will be selected. This is the 7th date. So which time you want to start the meeting. For example, I want to start the meeting at 10 a.m. So my class should be start at 10 a.m. Just select 10 a.m. and here you will find add title. So my class name Max Class Day 1. Yes, the Max class is day 1. I have selected here and I can scroll down here and I can add people. So if you don't want to add people, just select add conferencing. Yes, just select Google Meet. So Google Meet is added here and select the default color. If you want to default color, I just select the tomato color. Yes, the red color and add description. So join the class before 10 a.m. This is Professor Martin. So I have given the description option. So once you complete this event schedules 10 to 11 a.m. just press save. Yes, your meeting is saved. October 7, 10 a.m. your meeting is saved. Now I would like to share this information to my students. So how to share this information my student? I can select this event list and I can share with it. So this will be reach only the meeting URL. So I would like to share this event with my students with the all details means just edit this and add people, add your name itself. Just I select my email address and done. So save, automatically sent. Automatically this invitation will be sent to my mail ID. Yes, I just open my mail. So I can find Martin is sent. So myself I can send details. So these are my details. Max class day 1 and Wednesday 11. So join meeting ID and all the description, everything will be there. Join the meeting Professor Martin. Just hold on your screen. So you will find a selection option. Just select this area and copy. Press copy. Yes, copied. Now go to WhatsApp and select your students group and press hold on in your chat box and paste. So all information will be pasted. You can send. Yes, this is the first step of URL meeting sending. This is the second step with the meeting ID, link and what is the time and date. Every description will be added here so that you can give the information to the students what time you are meeting and what is your things. Without adding any other student, you can give the title name and inform your students all the details with your description. Yes, thanks for watching. Have a good day.